Okay, so today I'll be, as you know, in yesterday's class, okay, we had studied about what is actually a proposition. That is, we have studied immediately. If my voice is struck, please ping me. Okay, okay. So here in the yesterday's class, we had studied only the definition of a proposition. What it again? I'm just going to glance you people so that we'll recall the last class. Okay. So we had studied what basically it was about the proposition. Only one line definition we had studied. It is nothing but a declaration which can be either true or false. Okay. So here and we had seen some of the examples like which are the propositions and which are not propositions. We had studied the differences between the statements. Like for example, Bangalore is in Karnataka. If it is a proposition, at the another end, what we have, for example, I tell take a triangle ABC. That is not a proposition because here I am not going to declare you. It is nothing but an incomplete statement. Take a proposition. What to do next? We don't know. So it is nothing but what for us? It is not a proposition. This is what we covered in the last class. And also I had started with the next what is called subtopic called as logical connectives. As we have different operations in our digital logic like AND operation, OR operation, then we had studied something XOR operations we had studied. Similarly, here also we have logical connectives. So, what is actually connectivity? It is connectivity means joining two wires. For example, I am connecting two wires. It is nothing but a connection again. So, here also similarly, consider we have two propositions P and consider I have a proposition P and I have a proposition Q. I have here proposition P and I have here a proposition Q. Now, I want to connect these two statements. Okay, I want to connect these two statements. How I am going to connect these two statements? It can be with the help of an OR gate, it can be with a AND gate, or it can be with some other connectors which we are going to study in this subject. Okay, so here basically logical connection is nothing but connecting the two old propositions. For example, we have two propositions P and we have Q. These two are old propositions. By using these two propositions, okay, by using these two propositions, what I am doing? I am developing a new proposition. I am developing a new proposition which is called as compound proposition. Remember everybody, and again recalling this. Last class we had discussed. What is a compound proposition? The new proposition we get. The new proposition we get from the old proposition. Okay. The new proposition we get from the old proposition. How we are going to get the new proposition? With the help of logical connectives, which we are going to study in today's class. So here, old proposition and new proposition. For old proposition, we don't have a particular name, just proposition. Whereas the new propositions are called as compound propositions. So here, we had studied the first logic connective in the last class, that is negation. That is, I'm going to repeat again today. The first and the foremost logical connection was about negation. Yes, we had studied negation. This first and the foremost connection, that is negation, it is similar to NOT gate what we have studied. What is the meaning of a NOT gate for us? Whatever is the proposition P, we get the complete reverse. For example, if proposition P tells us Bangalore is in Karnataka, then negation P tells us that Bangalore is not in Karnataka. For example, if I write here P, If I write here P, today is holiday. Today is holiday. This is a proposition. Okay. This is a proposition which I declare. This is a true proposition. Okay. For example, if I declare, then what will be the negation of P? What will be the negation of P? Today is not holiday. Today is not holiday. Today is not holiday will be the negation. Okay. And another one thing we studied, very important concept here is something about truth value. Something about truth value we had studied in the last class. What was that truth value? What is the meaning? Truth value is not just true. Okay, truth value is not just true. This truth value tells us whether the statement is true or false. Whether the statement is true or false. For example, I'll just relate to this truth value to me. What is the meaning truth value on me? I take a judgment only towards the right side. Okay, I take the judgment towards the right side. For example, consider the two persons are there in front of me. They are asking for what? Whether who is wrong. So, my concept is what for us? Only I take the judgment towards the right person. So, here truth value only gives us the statement which is true or which is false. For example, the truth value of this is 1 and this is 0. If this is true, today is holiday, whether it is true, its value will be 1 and this value is 0. So here, truth value plays a very important role. Okay, truth value plays a very important role. This is we studied in the previous class. Today, we are going to study the few more logical connectors. Okay, we are going to study few more logical connectors. So, as a basic operation in our digital logic, what was the basic gates we studied? NOT gate, AND gate, and the OR gate, right? AND gate, OR gate, and the NOT gate. We have studied the NOT gate. Next is I will be telling conjunction. Alright, I'll just write here. You'll be able to see properly. Okay. The second logical connectivity is about conjunction. Okay, conjunction which is similar to AND gate. Okay, conjunction which is similar to AND gate. So what is the AND gate? What is the AND gate? For example, consider here two propositions P and another one proposition Q. Okay. Two propositions P and Q. No doubt for the AND gate we require two, right? Two variables A and B. I think you remember. Yes or no? For NOT gate only one we require. That is, if A is the original, A bar will be the NOT gate. Whereas for AND gate, I compulsory require two of the variables, or here in our DMS, discrete mathematical structures, I require two propositions. One is proposition P and another is proposition Q. Okay. Now, how variable, if B is another variable, I have to represent AND gate with dot there. Yes or no? A dot B. Whereas here, I represent as P. See here, it is like cap Q. Very important. P cap Q. This is what for us? It is an AND gate. It is a AND gate symbol. This is a symbol for an AND gate. Another one thing you need to remember here, the propositions are represented in, okay, the propositions are represented in small letters. By mistakenly also, don't represent this as capital P, capital Q, P, wrong. This is wrong. You should not represent in this way. In fact, you need to represent with small letter small p, small q, p, q. Aita? This is what you need to represent. Okay. So here, as usual, we have two propositions. I'll write the combinations 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. 0, 0, 0. Okay. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1. So this is what for us a normal combination which we have studied. What will be the AND gate operation? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. This is our AND gate. This will be our AND gate what we have studied. Now, I just tell the definition how here we are going to tell. A conjunction of two propositions, listen carefully, a conjunction of two propositions, small q, okay, small q is defined as, okay, is defined as the truth value of P conjunction Q will be 1 when P is 1 and Q is 1. For example, I'll tell you a simple method how you need to write a definition. See here, first is 0, second is 0, third is 0. Whereas last is what? 1. Last is 1. What is the meaning of that? Last is 1. Only this is a unique case. Rest three are same, right? So here I can define a conjunction as a conjunction. It is one of the logical connective. It is one of the logical connectivity where the P conjunction Q will be 1. Okay, will be 1 when P is 1 and Q is 1. Whereas for the rest other, it will be 0. Whereas for the rest other cases, it will be 1. Yav unique kada, you muru same idava. 0, 0, 0 same. So hang definition you need to write. How you need to write the definition? Yav the separate unique kada, adan tagobek now. Okay. When PQ 1, 1 idra, P conjunction Q 1 irthuda, rest all cases 0 irthuda anta tagobek now. Yav separate ada, you muru same. Idu onde bere. These three are same. This one is different. So here we need to consider which is different. Whichever you write the definition, whatever you write the definition, you need to remember that. For example, 10 cases, you have 10 cases. In that 9 cases are same, whereas 1 case is different. So you need to consider what? One which is different you need to consider. So I am going to repeat the definition of conjunction. Listen carefully. So here, this is AND gate what we know. So here, the conjunction, okay, the conjunction basically it is defined as, considering the two propositions P and Q. This is read as, P cap Q anta odbadri. Don't read it as P cap Q. P conjunction Q antane odbeku. Don't read it as P cap Q anta odbadri. Adeno hing bardiralla madam, hing ulta bardiralla. No. It is read as P conjunction Q. Okay. So basically that type of a logical connectivity where P conjunction Q is 1 when P is 1 and Q is 1. Whereas for rest other cases, the conjunction will be 0. This is what you need to define the value, you need to define the conjunction. Okay. Now, I'll just give examples and I will explain this conjunction. I think everybody followed this. Raise your hand. If this is clear, just raise your hand. Okay, fine. Next, I will give some simple AND gate henga same ade. Illi dot badlu cap anta hakbeku. Cap anta odbadri. Idana conjunction anta odri. P conjunction Q anta odbeku. Okay, fine. Okay. Now here I have given one example. example, if you want to take down, you can take down. Considering 4 propositions now. For example, in example, consider 4 propositions. First, P, Q, R, S. Okay, P, Q, R, S. Wait a second. 2 is a rational number. I will explain this. What is rational number? Then 9 is a prime number. Third one. All triangles are equilateral. All triangles are equilateral. Last is 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. I think this is Q conjunction S conjunction T. Idenanta explain ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, okay? I'll explain. Okay. Now they have given us the 4 propositions. Okay, 4 propositions kotar number. First is root 2 is a rational number. So proposition is what for us? Proposition is basically a statement which can be false. So in first statement in kotar number root 2 is a rational number. So is it true or false? Judge madlikka you need to have the knowledge of what is a rational number. Yes or no? You need to have some knowledge of what is a rational number. In DMS basically you need to have some knowledge about rational number, irrational number, real number, triangles, some basic knowledge at least to judge whether the statement is true or false. You need to know what is a rational number. This is 9, okay? Okay. So the first statement, root 3 is a rational number. Now whether it is true or false, you need to judge now. What is a rational number? A rational number, it is one of a real number. Okay, real number andre no, it includes fractions, it includes decimals, it includes square roots, it includes integers, negative numbers, everything numbers which we use that are called as real numbers. Then what is this rational number? Rational number is one type of a real number. Okay, rational number, it is a type of a real number which doesn't include any fraction. I'll write here, does not include a fraction. Does not include a fractional. This is rational number. So what is a rational number? Rational number, it is a type of a real number which does not include any of a fractions. Here, do we have any of the fractions here? Do we have here fractions? No. It is something square root of 2 also tadamga. Is it a fraction? No. This is not a fraction. So, because it doesn't include any of the fractions. So, before going to the examples, you should have an idea. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆದ್ರೂ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಡಿ. Rational number ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Real number ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Negative numbers ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? At least judge ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಾದ್ರೂ ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗ. Whether it is true or no. So, root 2 is a rational number. One second. Okay. One second. Okay. Whether now it is audible? Whether now it is audible, my voice? Someone have sent some messages. If it is audible, just raise your hand. Or else I'll check again my mic. Okay, fine. I'll repeat. Okay, don't worry. Okay. So here, considering conjunction is nothing but an AND gate. Here, what in DMS, just digital logical ring is one truth table, our work was completed. Whereas here, we need to justify our answers with the statements. For example, they will ask in an exam, define conjunction, explain with the example. In textbook, they have given this example, whereas take this example of your own. Okay, you can take the example of your own. So here, first is root 2 is the rational number. Okay, root 2 is the rational number. As we have said, rational number doesn't include the fractions. Okay, rational numbers are those type of real numbers which doesn't include any of a fraction. So, adant relate madidre, root 2 is the rational number. This statement is true or it is 1. True or it is 1. Next, 9 is a prime number. 9 is a prime number. What is the meaning of a prime? Prime number is that type of a number which is only multiplied by itself. For example, 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number. Then again, 4 is not a prime number because 2 into 2, 4. Yes or no? So again, 4 is not a prime number. Like that, whether 9 is a prime number? Whether 9 is a prime number? No, because 9 into 1 is 9. 3 into 3 is again 9. So, yaude number which is multiplied only by itself, that is called as what? It is called as what? For a prime number. So, since here 9 is a prime number, it is false. Because this is not a prime number. False or it is 0. Hing barkobek now. This examples nim own. Nimge yav bekodu tagobodu. Whichever you want, you can take this examples. Okay. Next, are all triangles are equilateral anta kottaru. All triangles are equilateral. Hangandre ಏನು? Whether all triangles are equilateral? No. Some will be equilateral, some will be isosceles triangle, some will be any scalar triangle. Okay. So here different triangles are there here. So I can't tell all triangles are equilateral. So even this statement is false. All triangles will not be equilateral. Some will be scalar, some will be isosceles triangles or any other triangles. Next, 2 plus 5 is equal to 7 anta kottariva. Whether this is true? 2 plus 5 is equal to 7? Yes, this is a true. 1. True antaru baribodu, 1 antadru baribodu. You can write true or you can write 1, 0. I have written both. Okay. So here, considering 4 examples I took, then I have judged whether it is true or false. Okay. Now, next my work is, see here, P conjunction Q. What is P? I'll write here. Root 2, P is this for me. Root 2 is a rational number. I'll just write Rn in short. Okay. Rational number anta artha. Root 2 is a rational number. Okay. What is this? AND operation. This is the AND operation, right? Whether everybody are following? Just raise your hands if you are following. If you are following, please raise your hands. Okay. I'll repeat here. P conjunction Q anta kottariva namagoru. P andre ಏನು ನಮ್ಗೆ? Root 2 is a rational number. ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿನಿ. Root 2 is a Rn. Rn ಅಂದ್ರೆ rational number. In short form I have written. What is this again? Conjunction. Cap. Conjunction andre cap. How it is written? It is nothing but AND. Conjunction is nothing but AND. Okay. Conjunction is nothing but AND. Remember, conjunction andre AND. Disjunction andre OR. Conjunction andre AND. ಇಲ್ಲಿ statement ಬರೀಲಿಕತ್ತೀವಿ. So instead of writing cap, okay, here cap is there. Okay, instead of cap here, I am writing just here and. Okay, I am writing here just and what is Q here? Q is a prime number. Q is a prime number. Short form na barilikatin due to space. Okay, next statement. Q and R and Kotter. I'll just rub these two. I'll explain only these two. Q and R. What is Q here? Q is a 9 is a prime number. 9 is a prime number. And what is R here? R. All triangles are equilateral. All triangles are equilateral. So here √2 is a rational number and Q is a prime number. Okay, again here 9 is a prime number and all triangles are equal. I'll explain only one with this, you'll be clear. Now I have written here √2 is a rational number and Q is a prime number. Whether √2 is a rational number, whether it is true or false, this is true. True or it is 1. True or 1. And andre no conjunction. And is conjunction. Q is a prime number. What is whether it is 9. 9 is a prime number. Whether 9 is a prime number? No, it is false. See here, 9 is prime number, false, or it is 0. Now I got here with these two statements, one is true and one is false. What is 1 conjunction 0? If I write here whether this is visible, this is P, Q, and here I have P conjunction Q. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 is 1. This is our conjunction truth table. What I have got here? True, 1 and 0. What is 1 and 0? 1 and 0. This result will be 0. That is P conjunction Q will be, it is not visible for you. This is true, okay, conjunction, this is false. True andre 0, true andre 1, false andre 0. True means 1, false means 0. What is the meaning of this? True is 1, false is 0. 1 and 0 is 0, or it is P conjunction Q is, P conjunction Q is false. Okay, so here don't be confused. Okay, starting for confused, you'll be a little bit confused, but don't be confused. First definition you need to be clear. Okay, first definition should be clear. Once you are clear with the definition, you need to give the examples. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಬೇಕು ಆ ತರ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ತರನೇ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಏನ್ ರೂಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ತರ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಏನ್ ರೂಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. Once you are clear with the examples, okay, once you are clear with the examples and written the example, just make the conjunction, write the statement and then give the result here. And gate operation ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. This is true, this is false. 0, true andre 1, false andre 0. What is true and false? Proposition P is 1, proposition Q is 0. 1 and 0, what will be the result? 0. 0 is my result. So each examples they have given us. So this is conjunction. In the next class, I will be dealing with what the rest of the things. So here in textbook, another one thing I just want to tell before leaving. In textbook, actually, example just one covered in nylon. P conjunction Q. In textbook, again they have taken P conjunction R, P conjunction S, all combinations, different combinations. They have taken the example. But just remember, P conjunction Q. It is basically defined as a conjunction is basically defined as similar to the AND gate. That is, two propositions are joined together by a AND gate. Two propositions are joined together by a AND gate. Okay, and the logic is similar to that of a AND gate only. The logic is similar to that of a AND gate. So this is in today's class we have seen only just one, that is conjunction. In the next classes I will be dealing with the other types, that is disjunction, exclusive disjunction, with this studying. Okay. If you have any query, you can message now. Anybody? If you have any queries, you can message now. Whether this is clear? Still it's not clear. Wait a second. Whether this is clear? Whether this is clear? Okay, okay, fine. Fine. Okay, I'm going very much slow here because online some variations will be there. You will not be getting exactly as the class. So I'm going daily just one topic. I'll be going slow. If you are following, okay. Or else I'll be explaining, re-explaining in the further classes. Okay. So, okay. In the next class, I will be continuing. Fine. Okay. Thank you.